Hi everyone, good morning. This is Neetu from www.neetudidi.com. Some of you know me, some of you don't, and I share some of my recipes, well now not so often. And today I would just like to show you how to make a restaurant style Indian sauce, okay? So when you go to restaurants, you say, ooh, look at this sauce, right? How's it so rich? How's it so creamy? How's it so smooth? And certain things, and why your sauces do not turn out the same at home. Well, it's very easy, okay? I'm doing a one pot sauce, okay? The last time I showed you was to boil some tomatoes and everything and then blend it. This time I'm not. So here I have onions which have been cooked down to 1/4 its quantity. So I use like about maybe 2 kilos of onions, yeah, and I use a lot of oil, otherwise there's no way you can have this done. Look, and what I've done is when it started changing color, I added some spices. So what spices did I add? I added garam masala. I added my own blend of coriander powder, which I roast. Okay, hello. If you want me to repeat, please ask so. So I roast my own coriander seeds with cumin seeds, and that is my coriander and cumin powder. I do not buy store-bought pre-blended powder, okay? And then over here, as you see, I have this is going to be my roasted cumin and black pepper corns for my raita, okay? I always use this in my raita, and people say, oh, your raita. Yeah, this is the trick, which is going to be blend later. But now coming back to the sauce, I have here, I'm making chicken bhuna. So I have here boneless pieces of chicken breast, which I have marinated in a blend of yogurt, ginger, garlic, coriander seeds, and cumin seeds. Okay, non-roasted coriander and cumin, and I've blended this with a lot of ginger garlic. So this is going to be sauteed separately, like in the restaurant, but I'm doing the mother sauce, yeah? So you see it's quite brown. I added a bit of this MDH Karai Gosht Masala. Yeah, it's a very nice spice, and a blend of garam masala. And I have over here, this is very prime. This will give it that red, smooth color that you get in restaurants, and you go, oh my God, how do the restaurants do this? Well, very easy. Now to this, you can add even cream or cashew nut powder, but I do not want my dish creamy because I'm not doing a tikka or a butter chicken. I'm doing a bhuna. So a bhuna is brown. This is the color. Can you see? Now to this, I'm going to add some water. Why am I adding water? Is because I want it to be smooth. So I'm going to add a little water, put it on high heat, and cook it to a smooth paste. Okay, I'm not going to even blend it because there's no need. You can have a look. It's quite a lovely gravy. Okay. For those who have just watched, I'm making restaurant style bhuna sauce. So what the restaurants do basically is they have this sauce ready, and then it's very easy because you can have your chicken marinated or your prawns or whatever, stir fry it, okay, first the prawns, and then just add spoons and spoons of the gravy, coriander leaves, and you're done. Okay, so this is, look, can you see how the color's changing? Just with that little addition of water, and it's smoother. So I'm going to add a bit more. Now this is what the restaurants do in advance. You can have this, you can freeze this sauce. Okay, if you want a curry, a madras, then you use a curry powder. But if you want like just very red, then you just don't brown the onions so much. And then you need, of course, to blend them, yeah? So basically, these are just few tricks and tips that I had. Now you see, it's even browner and it's even smoother. Any questions? I'm just giving it a good stir. You look, it's just basically onions and nothing else. And now I'll be opening this and adding it to it, and that's it basically. So my sauce is ready. It took me about an hour, but this is a lot of sauce. This will be like easily for about 2 kilos of chicken. Exactly, it's a lot of sauce. You can freeze it, you can do what you want with it. Okay, since there's no questions, I'm just going to end this video. Thank you very much for all of you who are watching. Bye bye.